Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aleeza Mehdi Zaman. I am a postgraduate student from the University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. And today I want to share some slides about you. My presentation topic is the isolation and identification of E. coli from the coil feces. My presentation topic is identification and antimicrobial susceptibility profile of E. coli isolated from coil feces. First of all, I want to share with you some contents. I'm telling you the introduction, objectives, methodology, and conclusion. Introduction. The Japanese quail is a small nesting game birds, belong to the family Phasinidae, order Galliformes, prefer open country and brushy borders. In Pakistan, Japanese quail has been raised in captivity for many years. Population of the Japanese quail are known to mainly inhabit East Asia and Russia. The Japanese quail has played an active role in the lives of humanity since the 12th century and continues to play a major role in industry and scientific research. Quail breeder terms are the major factor of the livestock which aims to serve the poultry sector, quail birds demand in Pakistan. In Pakistan, suburban and rural areas like Rawalpindi, Multan, Karachi, Lahore, Sakhar, Bhagalpur, Peshawar, and other big cities of the country are recommended for starting a layer of hatcheries of quail bird. Now, I'm telling you about E. coli. What is E. coli? E. coli is a bacteria that typically found in the lower intestine of warm-blooded animal. It may also contain in some animals' gut. Most strains of E. coli are safe and even support the health of human digestive system. Now, the growth conditions of E. coli. E. coli grow optimally at 37 degrees centigrade under aerobic condition, can live in hotter and colder temperature. Best conditions are warm, moist, and protein-rich environment. That's pH neutral or slightly acidic is the favorable condition for the growth of E. coli. Now I'm telling you the antimicrobial resistance. What is antimicrobial resistance? Occurs when bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other parasites change over the period of time, show no longer respond to medicines, making infections harder to treat, increasing the risk of diseases separate, serve, illness, and even death. Misuse and overuse of antimicrobials are the main drivers in the development of drug-resistant pathogen. Here is a diagram through which I'm telling you the antibiotic resistance. In this first step, there are a lot of germs and few are resistant to antibiotics. Can you see? In the second steps, when antibiotics kill bacteria causing illness, they also kill good bacteria, protecting the body from the infection. In the next step, the antibiotic resistant bacteria grow and take over. And last one, some bacteria gives their antibiotic resistance to other bacteria causing more problems like diseases. Objectives are the isolation of E. coli from the fecal samples of quail bird and antimicrobial susceptibility pattern of E. coli. Now, the materials and methodology. Fecal samples will be collected from different areas of Faisalabad like Jhang Bazar and the ground. Samples will be cultured overnight in nutrient broth at 37 degrees centigrade. Then will be cultivated on McConkey agar for 24 hours at 37 degrees centigrade. Suspected colonies will be picked and will be cultured again for pure colonies. Biochemical tests such as catalase test, nitrate, broth test will be performed for the confirmation of E. coli isolations. Now, I'm going to telling you about the antimicrobial susceptibilities or antibiotics that I have to apply on my research. E. coli isolated from kill will be tested for the susceptibility to 5 antimicrobial agents. These are ampicillin, ciprofloxacin, colistin, and chloramophene. This diffusion method will be used. Molar hinted agar plates will be incubated aerobically at 37 degrees centigrade for 18 to 24 hours. Their zones will be appear with clinical laboratory standard institute guidelines. And the last one is my conclusion of this research. Humans consume quail bird meat and it creates a public health problem due to antibiotic resistant character of E. coli. Because of antibiotic resistance, the treatment of the quail bird diseases is complex. Proper control measures should be taken urgently against antimicrobial resistance of the bacteria sown. Thank you so very much.